We have 14 of each of the color of marbles, and she puts 2 blue and 6 red in cup A, and 6 blue and 4 red in B, and 6 blue and 4 red in C. And then somebody comes along and randomly picks 3 marbles, one from each cup, and we're trying to figure out the probability of getting 3 blues, and then we're trying to figure out the probability of selecting 3 reds. So this person, is the wording pick a red? Well, which one does it say first? Blue. I'm going to calculate blue first. Would you say Dimitri will get a blue from A or B or C? Or do we want to read that as Dimitri will pull out a blue from cup A and B and C? And it's and means, it even says and select, no, it doesn't. And means multiplication. All right, so let's calculate the probability that this person draws a blue from cup A. Well, there's 2 in there, so that would be 2 over 8. Cup B, there's a total of 10, and how many blues are in there? 6. And the same thing for cup C. And I think I'll do a little bit of reducing. 2 are going to 2 one time, 2 are going to 10 5, 2 are going to 6 3 times, 2 are going to 8 4 times, and that leaves me 3 times 6 is 18 over 20 times 10. And 2 will go into 18 9 times, and 2 will go into 10 5 times, so that's 9 over 100. And I look at my answers, they're not in fractional form, but that's equivalent to 0.09. So 0.09 for blue. Now let's do red. Let's repeat the process. Probability of a red from cup A is going to be 6 over 8 and multiplication. Red from cup B, that's going to be 4 over 10, 4 over 10. And 2 will go into 6 3 times, 2 will go into 8 4 times. Wait, 2 will go into 6 3 times, 2 and 8 4 times, cancel some 4s. And that leaves me 3 times 4 over 10 times 10. And 2, 5, that's 6 over, what is that? Have I messed up? 6 over 8 times 4 over 10. Let me start that. Let me see. 2 will go into 6 3 times. 2 will go into 8 4 times. I canceled the 4s. And that left me 12. 3 and 4 is 12 over 100. Cross that out. Erase that. And 12 over 100. 4 oops. 4 will go into 12 3 times. And 4 will go into 100 25 times. And 3 divided by 25 one time, 25, 5, 2. 0.12 is your second answer. Done.